Good evening everyone, my name is Ang Wei Jie. My number matrix is F22A0082. Right now I'm here is Taiping Gardens. So the weather here is pretty good, a little bit windy, not so hot. So the Taiping Gardens is the first public garden that established in Malaysia during the British rule. So what animal that I observe here is Siberian crane. Yeah. So this is Siberian crane. Yeah. So this is Varanus salvatore. Yeah. So this is Varanus salvatore. Yeah. So what plants that I observed here is Norfax island pine plants. So this is a coniferous plants that I observed here. So the ecological environment here is very good. So I hope that everyone will love this place. So that's all for me. Thank you and bye.
Hi, my name is Jagla Binti Rohaiti. Today I will talk about aquatic ecosystem, which I choose a river near the forest. Stream habitat consists of biotic interaction between animal, plant and microbes. The surrounding of this river is wet and cool. The temperature about 16 to 18 degrees Celsius as it was raining. The example of plants that can be found at the river are mosses. Ta-da! Other than that, we also found frogs, fish and spider water.
Hello guys, my name is Kokzi and my matrix number is F22A0091. And today I'm here is Lake Garden Seremban at Negeri Sembilan. Today the temperature and climate is cloudy and now I have a little bit rainy. So its temperature is colder and the temperature is 25 until 27. And now I've observed that inside I have the Biome plants. It's aquatic plants, you can see here. Hello guys, now I observe that the swallow is passeriform orders that I observe in the garden is here. Now I observe that spider lily, that is scientific name is Lycoris liadata, that you can see here.
Hi guys, my name is Nur Alia Maisara binti Zalmanuddin. Today I want to share about a terrestrial ecosystem which I choose a forest in the campus. A forest is a complex ecological system which trees are a dominant life form. It is also the most efficient ecosystem which has a high rate of photosynthesis affecting both animals and plants. The climate for this forest is warm and humid, which is about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. As for the types of plants that can be found in this forest is bamboo trees, ferns and platycerium. In the forest, we can found many dangerous animals such as snakes, bees, monkeys, and giant tropical ants. We also can find many types of birds in the forest.
These are the example of giant tropical ants.
A very good evening.
So my name is Nirushan Dr. Balasubramaniam. My matrix number F22B0130. So I'm going to talk about differences between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. So what is the differences between terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem? Which is terrestrial ecosystem is known as a community of land-based organisms having an interaction of biotic and abiotic components in an area. An aquatic ecosystem is an ecosystem which is existing in water bodies which include lakes, rivers, oceans and streams and etc. So next, the similarities between aquatic and terrestrial, which is terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems alike. They both include living things that are dependent upon each other to survive, and they have non-living things in their environments. Alright, both aquatic and terrestrial plants or ecosystems make food through photosynthesis. For example, both perform transpiration. Floating plants, in case of aquatic plants, both plants use blue wavelength of light for photosynthesis. But terrestrial plants or ecosystem use red wavelength of light also for making food. So next, we move to factors or impact affecting terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. First, we move to terrestrial ecosystem, which is found in a particular place is dependent on the temperature range, the average amount of precipitation received, the soil type and amount of light it receives. Next, we move to aquatic ecosystem. Some of the important abiotic environmental factors of aquatic ecosystems include substrate type, water depth, nutrient levels, temperature, salinity, and flow. It is often difficult to determine the relative importance of these factors without rather large experiments. So the factors for the ecological factors that affect both terrestrial and aquatic habitats, mainly climate, example temperature, rainfall, relative humidity, wind, height, intensity, hydrogen, ion concentration, pH, and pressure. Of these factors, temperature and rainfall determine the type of vegetation in our region. So I'm in Johor at Muar. The temperature in this place is windy and also day by day plus it's having a very heavy rain. Alright, human impact to terrestrial ecosystem. The physical environment in many ways: overpopulation, pollution, burning foils, fuels and deforestation. Changes like this have triggered climate change, soil erosion, poor air quality and undrinkable water. For the aquatic organisms or aquatic ecosystems, human effects on aquatic ecosystem can result from pollution, changes to the landscape or hydrological systems, and larger scale impacts such as global climate change. The complexity of aquatic ecosystems and the linkages within them can make it the effect of disturbance on them difficult to predict.